Today we have part 2 in the series on the modern Spartan systems. We're going to use the copper lead destroyer, where we used the carbon destroyer in the first one on the Glock, in case you missed that. Now we're going to see what we can do with this 640 Smith & Wesson J-frame that everyone can see is clear. And I'm going to show everybody the action and the cylinder. I believe that cylinders in action is going to be much better by the end of the video. First of all, we'll do a light brush on it like I do all of them. To say this gun is clean, but we're going to see if we can't get it cleaner this time. What we're going to do, patch, and we're going to put some of the copper lead destroyer on here and see the difference in this one than what we had on the just carbon destroyer on the Glock. And you can see I'm getting something already. And I'm going to put just a little bit more on it before I run it down through the barrel. Now we're going to let it set for a few minutes. Before I forget, we're going to put some here around the forcing cone too. And just kind of brush it in a little bit. Now we can let it set. Now that we've let it set a few minutes, I'm going to run the brass brush down through here. Careful not to scratch up your firearm. Now we're going to try a clean patch and see what we have. Trying to hold this so everyone can see exactly what I'm doing. You can see I got quite a bit of more carbon off of it. So we're going to take another patch. And before I forget, I'm going to wipe it around the forcing cone. Quite a bit coming off here. Now we're going to see what we got. I believe everyone can see this is cleaner, and as I said, it was clean. The real test will be next time we take it to the range, and this is the only product we use to clean. But that's quite a bit right there. Now we're going to take a little bit of an accuracy oil, and this was cleaned here, and wipe it just a tad. Just a little down there. And I like to put just a tad here. Rub it around. Put a little down in here. And don't forget to put some down in here. That's where you lock your cylinder. And let's see about the spinning now. I believe it is spinning a little bit better. And I'm going to drop just a little bit down in the trigger. And I like to put just a tad on your cylinder lock. Seems much smoother to me and much cleaner now. Now we're going to have a few final words. Now everyone can see how these products work. Part 3 is going to be the range trip, where we take the Glock from the first video and treat the barrel. And when we get back, we can also show everyone how easier it is to clean both of these firearms. Go to their website. There's a discount code on there. I highly encourage you to get a starter kit. Go to their website, pick everything out, like and subscribe. Don't forget about the Bearded Sharpener Facebook page. Tell all your friends, hit the notification bell. Till next time.